Hey everyone! Welcome to the most comprehensive review you'll find on the internet about the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. I've got some crucial info you need to know before considering this supplement. Stick around and I'll even share an important alert. If you're on a quest for effective weight loss, you're in the right place. Click the link below to buy directly from the official website and discover the exclusive price details. Trust me, you won't want to miss this vital information. So what's the Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic all about? It's a 100% natural dietary supplement, carefully crafted to support weight loss. With ingredients like plant and herb extracts, vitamins, and nutrients, it takes a holistic approach to your overall health. But before we go any further, let's talk about the brains behind this tonic. The Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is a result of dedicated efforts to help people lose weight and enhance their overall health. Purely natural ingredients speak volumes about their commitment. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty, the ingredients. With plant and herb extracts, essential vitamins, and more, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic aims to provide your body with the support it needs. And of course, we'll discuss whether the price matches the value you get. I've been incorporating this tonic into my routine, and the results are fascinating. More energy, regulated metabolism, and improved sleep. I'm spilling all the details. But before you make a decision, there's something crucial you must know. Every product has its pros and cons. I'll be transparent about my experience. Plus, if you're considering alternatives, stay tuned for a quick comparison, including a breakdown of the value you're getting for the price. Now, here's the crucial part for exclusive price details and more. Visit the official website. The link is right there in the video description. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Before you go, share your thoughts in the comments if you've tried Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic or if you have any questions. And of course, hit that like button if you found this information valuable. Before we wrap up, here's my final verdict, and it's crucial. Plus, I'll repeat the link to the official website where you can get the genuine Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, along with exclusive price details. Ready for the truth? There you have it, the inside scoop on Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, including exclusive price details. If you want more reviews, health tips, and exclusive alerts, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, NutriSlab. Your journey to a healthier you starts here. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll catch you in the next video.